Good afternoon, it's Jack over at Anchor Cars Tadley with a personalised video as promised of our beautiful Honda Civic with VTEC in a stunning red colour. Lovely black alloys on the vehicle, two on the passenger side, slight signs of wear, bit curved, quite commensurate for the age and mileage of the vehicle. Beautiful little lip spoiler on the back of the vehicle. Reversing camera, which is a lovely feature to have. Great big boot space, very handy with the family, with a nice little unique designed parcel shelf in there as well. Inflation kit supplied as well. Pan roof, which is very nice to have. Coming around to the driver's side, slight signs of wear in the alloy wheels as well. Again, what you sort of expect, commensurate for the age and mileage of the vehicle. Having a look in the rear is in an absolutely stunning, looks hardly sat on, beautiful black leather interior with a black roof lining as well, giving a nice premium feel and design on the inside, quite relaxing feel. Got a nice little armrest in the middle with cup holders, seat pockets as well, auto mirrors, speakers in the back as well, or auto windows, sorry. Privacy glass in the back as well. Again, nice, stunning feel. Front alloy. Going inside for you. Just turning down the volume slightly. Let's just turn down the climate control. Inside the vehicle's covered 64,608 miles. Looks lovely on the dashboard, very nice sporty feel to it. You got lane departure assist, adaptive cruise control as well features. Really nice sunroof that opens as well. Getting a tinted glass on the top, really nice. Bit of sun inside as well, with a nice cover as well. Inside, great big, plenty of space on the inside. Adjustable armrest as well. You got your dynamic mode and stuff as well. Again, great. Be looking forward to hearing from you soon. If there's any other features you'd like to know about, or if there's any other questions you have, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you very much.